Now we will start the next chapter, understanding elementary shapes. So in this chapter you will learn about the line segments, angles and the simple closed figures such as triangles, quadrilaterals and different types of triangles and quadrilaterals, and also the three-dimensional shapes such as cuboid, cube and sphere, cone, cylinder. Now first let us start with line segments. So first we will start measuring line segments. Now how to measure a given line segment? A triangle is a simple closed figure made up of 3 line segments, and a quadrilateral is also a simple closed figure made up of 4 line segments. Then what is the line segment? A line segment is a portion of a line which has 2 endpoints, so it has a definite length. So when it has 2 endpoints on either side, it must have the definite length and it has no thickness. So then how to compare the 2 line segments? So first, comparison by observation. If any 2 line segments are given, we can just observe the line segments and compare. If AB and CD, if any 2 line segments are given, so by just observing the given 2 line segments, we can say which is longer and which is shorter. So if one line segment is very longer than other, or if one line segment is very much shorter than the other line segment, then only we can compare the 2 line segments by observation. So for example, your PQ line segment and your RS line segment, we cannot observe and decide whether PQ is shorter or RS is shorter. Now the second comparison, comparison by tracing. So here if any 2 line segments are given like AB and CD, so then we have to take the trace paper and trace the line segment CD. So then the traced line segment of CD should be kept on the line segment AB. Then by observing AB and traced line segment CD, so we can say either AB is longer or CD is longer. So but here also it is time consuming to trace the given line segment, and we have to place the trace line segment on the other line segment and we should compare both of them. So it is also difficult to compare 2 line segments. So then what is the other method to compare any given 2 line segments? Now the third one is comparison using ruler and divisor. Divider, comparison using ruler and divider. So if our ruler has centimeters on one edge, and here 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. So here our ruler will be up to 15 centimeters. Now starting from 0 mark, so we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 1 centimeter. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this way up to 15 centimeters are marked in the regular ruler. So then if you take any 2 line segments AB and CD, so we have to take the ruler, and the 0 mark of the ruler should coincide with the end point A, and we should check so where the other end point B coincides with in the ruler. So for example, the length of AB is 5.4 centimeters. Then we should check again, we should measure the length of line segment CD using the ruler. So here also we have to place the 0 mark of the ruler coinciding with the one of the endpoints, and we should measure so where D coincides with the ruler. So then if it is also 5.4 centimeters, then we can say that these two line segments are of equal length. So but when we observe the measurement on the ruler, so we may not observe properly, so it is also not suitable method to compare any two line segments. So then we take the divider to compare two line segments. So if PQ and RS, so any two line segments are given, first you have to place one of the pointer of the divider on the one of the endpoints, means P, and open the divider and place the other pointer on the point Q. Then you have to take the opening with same, you have to take the divider with same opening, you have to place the one of the pointers of the divider on the point R and the second point on the line segment RS. So if S is out of the other endpoint, other pointer of the divider, then we can say that RS is longer than PQ. So if the other pointer of the divider is out of the point S, then we can say that RS is shorter than PQ. So in this way we can compare any two line segments.